Today we are going to chill and make some Zepeto clothes and eat delicious food because food tastes better when it's free. And speaking about free, I'll be giving away free Zepeto gift worth of coins to anyone who will watch until the end of this video. Hit subscribe and comment what you think of the content together with your code. Let's roll. So of course, before I even start the computer and do the 3D making of Zepeto clothes, I'll prepare my wonderful coffee first. Because we really need some energy before doing the 3D for it sucks the energy out of my body. Also, I like to shoot our dirty kitchen. While the kettle is boiling my water for the coffee, here's the view of meme of my handsome cat, Miming Putol. He's actually watching me set up my PC and Miming Kulit run around the entire house. That's literally what my morning is. 3 C's: coffee, cat, computer. If you're wondering if I only drink coffee and not eat any solid food in the morning, yeah, kinda like it because I'm lazy to prepare my food. But sometimes I do, once a month. Do you also do that? Is it bad to do that? Please comment it down below. I actually read some of the comments and of course listen to my subscribers and viewers' suggestions in order to make better content. Going back, the PC is now ready. We are going to check our Zepeto community. I'll just read some posts and regarding the app and our cute memes. Our little Zepeto community is actually in public now, so if you want to join, do comment it down below and I'll put the link in the description if you just want. Anyway, let's make some Zepeto clothes. While I'm making the Zepeto clothes, I actually have a topic prepared so that you won't ever get bored watching speed edits. For me, it's really boring to watch speed edits unless I'm trying to learn what the person is making. Anyway, did you know that I recently learned how to make Zepeto clothes and thank you to the person I bought the tutorial from. If not because of her tutorial, I would forever be a 2D creator. Just a backstory, Zepeto is a game where you can make your own character out of yourself or from your imagination. You can take pictures, videos, mix and match clothes, chat with friends, etc. It's somewhat similar to Sims, but online version, and ultra mega similar to Avakin and Imvu. Not sure about Sims, but I know Imvu also recommends their users who knows how to 3D to make game clothes. So that's how Zepeto goes. You make your own character, and if you want to make clothes for the game, you can do so and earn money. Like YouTube, it has threshold. If I got it right, threshold of 5,000 zems, which is equivalent to $100 or 5,000 pesos. Meet the threshold, and your PayPal account will have some money next month. Now that you're informed, let's go into the making of the Zepeto, of the cloth itself. There is actually a software to make 3D game stuff, and the software that was used to make the Zepeto 3D things is Maya, and that is what the Zepeto studio recommends. But I'm never really a Maya user. I just don't like using it. It looks prehistoric. Sorry, it's only my opinion. Don't cancel me for this. I still think it's a great application because a lot of options that Zepeto recommends is in Maya. And making accessories was the easiest to do in that software. I can't even make one in Blender. I mean, I know you can make one, but I just don't know how. So my heart is in Blender. Not sponsored by the way. I just like the feel and love the amount of tutorials in YouTube to actually learn the software. Also, the devs are constantly updating Blender. You can't just go wrong with using it. So if you want to make 3D Zepeto clothes, what you really need are patience. Number one, patience and confidence. Number two, a laptop that can handle the software I mentioned and will mention, much better if it's a PC. Number three, softwares like Photoshop, Unity, and Blender, or Maya if you like it more. And that's it. I don't actually make a tutorial because I'm not good at teaching kids, and I would personally want you to like the videos I'm making because I think it's awesome, right? Zepeto, cats, and food. Like, come on, hit the subscribe button and comment down below what you think of my thoughts. And again, who doesn't like the cats of Gobang New Normal? They are so cute sleeping together. They're like brothers from another mother and father.
Ay, ikaw. Hindi naman daw eh. Habi. Habi. Ayan.
Stop.
Before we even look at the final preview, let me just wash the dishes. Mama, if you're watching, I need a better camera in making YouTube videos, so baka naman. Baka naman, Mama. I wash the dishes. Anyway, let's also eat some classic Filipino merienda or snacks. We have here kwek-kwek, hard-boiled duck eggs, deep fried, covered in orange batter, and a banana con hielo, sweetened plantain chillers. Thank you, Google Translate and all other websites. I hope your translation is right. If you don't get it, it's just delicious Filipino snacks. So then, let's watch the final preview of the Zepeto clothes I made. please hit the like button, obviously, and hit the subscribe and bell notification bell. And bell notification bell. And the notification bell in order to uh, get a geese, uh, be alerted. Tama? Be alerted. Be alerted of Gobang New Normal videos. We upload or post videos every week. So please stay tuned because every video has a 3-day giveaway. 3 days Zepeto giveaway. So don't miss the chance.